Let's look at angle between a plane and a line. Let's plot a line. For that we require 2 points. So let's say A1, B1, C1 and A2, B2, C2. Let's move them around. Okay, and let's draw a line A comma B. Plot a plane later on. First let's calculate the direction ratios. So let's say A2 minus A1, B2 minus B1, C2 minus C1. Okay, and we also require square root of A square plus B square plus C square. Okay, now the direction cosines we require. So L is equal to A by D, M is equal to B by D, N is equal to C by G. Okay, and we require square root of L square plus M square plus N square. Okay, so now we have got the direction cosines of the line. Now let's define the plane. For that we require A3 equal to slider minus 5 to 5 steps of 1. B3 is equal to slider minus 5, 5, 1. C3 equal to slider minus 5, 5, 1. And finally D3 is equal to slider minus 5 to 5, 1. Okay, let's make this all 1, 1. And now let's plot the plane. So A3 times X plus B3 times Y plus C3 times Z plus D3 is equal to 0. You see this? This is the plane. We have to just move it a little bit. And now let's, what is this? G is equal to 1. Why did it come? Do we have a G somewhere? It just got added. Oh, this G. This G, and this should be D. You need to be careful. So with this G we don't require. Okay, A by D, B by D, C by D. Okay. And now let's make it cross in the visible range. So let's, okay. So what we want is this angle between this plane and the line. So for that we also require square root of A3 square plus B plus B3 square plus C3 square. And the formula for figuring out the angle is A sine of, let's do it as 2 steps. Okay, so A3 times L, B3 times M plus C3 times N divided by G times E. So that gives us 0.82. And we have to find the angle. So A sine, that is arc sine or sine inverse of H. That gives us 55.56. Now let's ask GeoGebra to figure out the angle. So angle between the line F and P plane, 55.56. Great. So that is the, and remember, as usual, we can move this line in any direction, and that formula will give us the exact, okay, our calculated one is not being displayed. So let's say text is equal to text is angle between is equal to, let's say, beta, no, not beta, alpha. So alpha, and let's drag and drop this. Okay, here it has put it. We need to move it around. Let's take it to the home position. Okay, so now 47.2, 47.2. You change anything. $79.76. Yes. Now remember, if the numerator is 0, that means h is 0, which means sine inverse of 0 is 0. That means the lines are parallel to each other. They don't intersect. Okay. And when will it be perpendicular? When this is 1. This ratio is 1. That means sine inverse of 1 is 90. Great. So that is angle between a plane and a line. Bye.